Welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today I'm going to make for you one of my new favorite things to eat. It's called stuffed clams.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball on the cooking show with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is
What you want to do first is make sure you clean your clams. Looks like the seashells at the seashore. So anyway, make sure you clean them off really good. Get all that sand off them, okay? Because, you know, they like to go underneath the sand, okay? So we're going to steam these up while we chop up. Get yourself a nice pot. We'll put about 2 inches of water in it, okay? Get yourself some white wine. Not expensive. Doesn't matter because it's, you know what I mean? You want to put an expensive bottle of wine in there. Anyway, I'm going to pour some of that in there like that. We're going to get these clams nice and drunk. We're going to get that Zarlengo love in that John, huh? I'm going to put some Zarlengo love in there. Okay? We're going to drop these clams in here. Cover it and boil it. Anyway, you got this all boiling up. Let's go chop up. You're going to need 1 cup of breadcrumb, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 stick of butter. Now, what I recommend for the butter, so it melts quicker, just, you know, cut it up in a little bit. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, nothing, yeah, I mean, just cut it, it will melt quicker. We're going to need some lemon, some onion, some garlic. I'm going to throw in some basil and some parsley, okay? 2 nice sized cloves of garlic, I would say, right? Boom, boom. All right, your 2 cloves of garlic, what you want to do with them is you want to mince them really nice. You want them nicey, dicey, you know what I'm saying? Nicey. 2 cloves of garlic, that's all it takes. Oh, hey. 3 tablespoons of finely minced onion. Guys know how to open your onion. This ain't your first rodeo, guys. Although my cousin does do rodeos. Joliana, Uncle Kenny's daughter, she does the barrel racing. She's got 3 horses. Beautiful horses. You want your onion nice and minced. So this, we're going to make the small cuts. Down, nice small cuts, because smaller is minceder, you know. See that? Nice and nice. Go through the middle, whoop, 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 and boom. Boom. So that's your 3 tablespoons of minced onion. You got any minced onion left? Woo! Those onions are killing me. I didn't get everything I wanted for Christmas. I'm gonna go check the mussels. Woo! Smelly good, huh? They're just starting to open up, so we're gonna give that a little bit. And then we're going to take them out. I'm going to put them back in that strainer, hit them with some cold water, let it, you know, stop the cooking process. So anyway, we want 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. Bunch up your parsley, nice and nice, right? And then run your knife through it. You know Frankie Meatball likes the basil, so I'm going to get a couple of these leaves before this whole plant gozy, you know? Like rosy, gozy, huh? Boom. That's enough. Just a couple leaves. This, I'm going to just bunch this up. I'm going to say 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped basil. Yep. They are good. So I'm going to move them off the heat. I'm just going to grab them. Top them right here. I'm going to use some of this juice. So I'm going to just slide it to the side. I'm going to hit these mussels though with some cold water. Alright? If you have lemon juice in the fridge, use that. But go get yourself a fresh lemon. I'm telling you, there's nothing like fresh lemon juice, guys. I'm telling you, I love it. I'm going to put our lemon in there and we're going to squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the fresh lemon juice. So now we need 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. You're going to need to add some clam juice. If you have it in a bottle, that's fine. If you want to get some good stuff, you want to get a tablespoon of that clam juice that you cooked your clams in. So I'm just going to add it right to my lemon juice. We're going to do, boom, 12 nice sized clams, you know what I'm saying? So now you want to pull the clam out, leave that footing or whatever that's called, leave that in there. You don't want that in your mixture. Break the shell and put it to the side. And just keep doing it until there's no more. You got all your clams out. Now those shells that you put to the side, rinse them off, clean them up, put them on a sheet pan with a piece of aluminum foil and set it to the side. Now we got our clams. Now run your knife through. We're going to mince these up really nice. Now your mussels are minced nice and nice. We're going to get them and put them on our mise en place plate. Alright, get your pan heating up. Get yourself your stick of butter. Throw that in there. I'll do like a medium flame, you know. But get your pan hot before you throw that butter in there, okay? Just melt that butter around. Now your butter is melted. Throw your onion in. Gonna cook them until they're translucent, about 2 or 3 minutes. Alright, your onions cooking for a minute or two, right? Get nice and translucent. We're gonna throw our garlic in there. We're gonna cook that for like another minute. Let's mix it up in there. Alright, after you throw your garlic in, throw your herbs in there. And mix it all together. This is good, guys. And if you want to like kick it up a notch with some hot pepper seeds, now's the time to throw it in. You want to kick it up with the Zarlengos? Now's the time to throw it in. But we cooked the clams with the Zarlengo. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. You want to just move it around so none of the garlic burns. You know how I feel about the garlic burning. You know, I'm paranoid, you know. I'm going to do a nice little pinch of salt. Nice little pinch of pepper. Give it a little bite. Put another extra pinch of pepper in there. We're going to get all this flavor up. There we go. Get all that flavor up. Throw your clams in now. Throw your clams. Breadcrumb. And your cheese in. And mix. Shut your flame off. Everything mixed up nice in there. Okay? You want it nice and wet. You know, you want a nice consistency, but you want it nice and wet. You don't want it dry because when you put it in the oven, it's gonna, you know, burn up and get all dry. You know what I'm saying? And if you mix everything in and it's too dry, you got wine, you can put a drop of wine in there. You got a little more butter, you throw some more butter. You got some clam juice, throw some more clam juice. Right, but I think that's going to do it for me. That's nice and moist. You know what I'm going to do? Just for good measure, you don't have to do this, but I said put in a little wine. I'm going to put just a drop of wine in there. There we go. I don't know. I said wine, boom. The wine was in my mind, you know. I got to do another drop and get that. Not too much, guys. We got everything all mixed together. Everything's well incorporated. We're going to go stuff our shells. Smells good over here. You know, like I said, hey, I threw the wine, had to put it in. Like I said, there's a first time for everything. Same way you got your shells all nice and clean. You got a half sheet pan with the aluminum foil. Right, got a nice scoop. Got a nice scoop and put it there. You don't want to push it down, but you want to get it really nice like that. Make it round, right? You got, because we eat with our eyes, really, you know. I don't want to say anything. But, you know, you want a good amount on there. Oh, I don't want to get that on there. Will burn. Look at that. See? Now this is the part I'm going to tell you to do it and do it and do it till you're all done. I'll see you back when I'm ready to put this in the oven. So that batch made, it depends how much you stuff them. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10. Got 10 nice stuffed guys, huh? So my oven's on 350. I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna pull them out. It's gonna be time to eat. Boom! Nah! See you back, guys. So it's been about 20 minutes or so. We're gonna pull them out of the oven. You can wait until they're a little brown. I mean, all we gotta do is just warm that up. So let's go see what we got. Nice and hot, nice and hot. You can leave them in there until they get a little browner on top. It's up to you, it's preference. But while they're hot, guys, grab some cheese and just decorate them with the cheese. Oh my God. Let's get one. Ooh, still a little hot. Mmm. Yeah, man. Oh, man. Yeah. I'm gonna wash that down with some wine, huh? These are good. That little bit of wine at the end did something to it, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, the cheese, I like to put it on after because when it burnt, it got a little brown. I'm not a fan of that. But look, it's starting to melt a little bit. I'm gonna hit it with my favorite parsley and garnish it. And, you know, it gives it that nice little extra edge you want, right? If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button so you get notified every Wednesday when I put out a new video. I'm telling you guys, follow us on Facebook, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok. Guys, I'm telling you, ZarlengoSeasoning.com. If you want to kick your cooking up to the next level, Zarlengo's is where it's at. Check out my guy, PhilRackRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band mothers around. And I'm going to tell you what, guys. Until next time. Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.